حیدرآباد کے رکن پارلیمنٹ و مجلس اتحاد المسلمین کے سربراہ اسدالدین اویسی نے چائنا کے ذریعے بھارت کی زمین پر قبضہ جمائے جانے کے موضوع پر مرکزی حکومت پر شدید حملہ کیا۔ اسدالدین اویسی نے حکومت کو گھیرتے ہوئے کہا کہ مرکزی حکومت اس معاملے پر کیوں خاموش ہے؟ چائنا ہمارے ملک کی زمین پر کیسے قبضہ کر سکتا ہے؟ انہوں نے کہا کہ ملک کے عوام کو یہ بتانا ہوگا کہ ہمارے ڈیفنس منسٹر چین سے کیا بات چیت کر رہے ہیں۔ چین کی فوج بھارت کی سرحد کے اتنے اندر کیسے گھس گئی اور ہمارے وزیر اعظم اس پر کیوں خاموش ہے؟ اس کے ساتھ ہی انہوں نے کہا کہ وزیر اعظم کو بتانا پڑے گا کہ لداخ میں چائنا نے کتنی زمین پر قبضہ کر لیا ہے۔ وہیں انہوں نے حکومت سے سوال کیا کہ بی جے پی اور آر ایس ایس اس معاملے پر کیوں خاموش ہیں۔
Well, the Honorable Home Minister and the Honorable Defense Minister can easily tell the nation what is it that they are speaking to the Chinese. What exactly are they speaking to the Chinese? Because our army people and the Chinese PLA are talking to each other. What is it that the government of India, led by Mr. Modi, is speaking to the Chinese? Please tell the country. Why are they embarrassed? Why are they maintaining this silence? Can they tell us that whether the Chinese have occupied the Indian territory in Ladakh, in Galwan Valley, in Pong Song Su? If they have not occupied, then what is it that you are speaking to? The country should know. Instead of making all these loud, boisterous claims in a public meeting, please enlighten all of us. The country has a right to know. We demand to know from Mr. Modi, our Prime Minister, what is it that you are speaking to the Chinese? What is it? Please tell us on how much territory has the Chinese army occupied the Indian territory? How many Chinese soldiers are there? And let the country be told after every meeting which takes place. Why this selective leaks to selective only journalists? It is a fact, in my opinion, that the Chinese have encroached in India and occupied Indian territory. This has been their modus operandi, that once the snow starts to melt, they come and occupy Indian territory, and it keeps on increasing. This has to stop. You have people from Ladakh who are giving out video statements, who have seen the Chinese army occupying more land than what they had last year. So this is a matter of concern, and the country should be taken into confidence. Maybe the Prime Minister can say it in his next Mann Ki Baat whenever he wants to say, and maybe after hearing it, the BJP supporters can do some thali bajao and diya jalao. The Chinese will do it, we know that. But the government of India should also tell the country. I am not concerned about what the Chinese media is releasing, the Global Times releasing all those videos. I am more concerned about what my government is doing, what my Prime Minister has to tell the country, that how much territory have the Chinese army occupied in Ladakh, in Galwan Valley, in Pong Son Su, in all those 8 fingers. Tell the country what is wrong in that. Because you don't want to say because your approval ratings will take a hit. Why is so much of silence being maintained by BJP and RSS supporters? Why are they keeping quiet?